Assalamu alaikum. Azul Falahun. Hello, everybody. This is regarding some event did happen in Algeria yesterday and the day before in Oran, the second capital in Algeria. That people been beaten by police, by some mafiosi, you can say, who they work for the General Saib, who's the father-in-law. He's the father-in-law. Oh no, his father-in-law. Actually, his father-in-law is Gaid Salah. And his son-in-law is a general whose name is Saib. He's in Oran. He did give an order for the suppression of the people there. They threatened people. They beat them. They beat them even to death. There was a couple deaths, I think, from the aggression. They did see a lot. Even kids, they've been slashed with knife. Just because this mafiosi doesn't have just policemen who they work for them. This considered as a mafiosi. They did deal with the drugs. That means they are not even legal, these positions. They're acting like terrorists. And they are terrorists. They did deal with terrorists. They did help them. Now who's helping them to get to the power. And it was less than 1%, but there was their hand. They did always help them. Give them a hand and help them for everything. To kill people, to help them to stay in power. Gaid Salah is a terrorist. He's a terrorist who's threatened and beaten everybody. He's beaten veterans, women, kids, students on the street. He don't have no manner. No manner. He's beating them just because they are claiming democracy. They are claiming their freedom, and they have all right. Now it's come to the point that he cannot take it anymore. And I think that's enough. If the world doesn't say anything, we'll just keep watching. Algerian people, they have all the right to defend themselves, to defend their kids. That cannot stay like that forever. It's about time the people, they get organized to defend themselves. It's a right. It's human right. You don't see your kids getting beaten that way or slashed by a knife just because they send their mafiosi or they want them to stay in power just because they're sharing billions of dollars. This Gaid Salah and his family, between him and his family, they stole, and his friend, they stole more than 600,000 billion in Algerian money. That's around 60 to 40 billion dollar American money. They would only leave the power because of that, but they're ready to kill Algerian people, to kill veterans, to kill kids, to kill students. They have almost 1,000 people in jail just because they are asked for freedom. As you know, everybody know, all the world know, that they are fighting for their just freedom peacefully for more than 10 months. No one did it in the world. How long they gonna ask for their freedom? They did fake a president. They did bring somebody who been not even get elected by people. They push him to be president with 1% of the population, and all of them who did vote for this guy, they was all corrupted people. They're all involved in the corruption just because they don't want to leave that power. They don't want to leave that money go. They think that the people, they're going to ask for that money. People, they was asking them just to leave Algeria alone. And it's a time the people, they have all right to defend themselves. If they create any organization to fight the government, to fight the military power who's just a dictator, they have all right. Nobody can blame them for that or try to help the government just because they have some interest. They have to help the people first. As we know, we don't want to get anybody get involved, but we're going to fight back to defend Algerian people. And they have all the right to do it. Thank you for hearing me, and thank you for your listening. Thank you very much. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.